My dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to my physics channel in YouTube, that is Pina's Physics Gyan. Today I am going to take third class on projectile motion. In my earlier classes, I discussed about height in projectile motion, range in projectile motion, and how to derive expression of time of flight. In our today's class, we'll discuss about equation of projectile motion. My dear students, as you have seen here, a body is projected with speed u, making an angle of theta with horizontal. You see here, making an angle theta with horizontal. Just see here, making an angle theta with horizontal. After time t, body moves from O to A. After time t, body moves from O to A. Okay? During its movement from O to A, the body under projectile motion, the horizontal displacement covered is equal to OB is equal to X, and the vertical displacement covered is equal to BA equal to Y. BA equal to Y. Just a minute, my dear student, just a minute. BA equal to Y. So, in time t, projectile moves from O to A. During this time, horizontal distance covered is X and vertical distance covered is Y. The relationship between Y and X is called equation of projectile motion. This is what we are going to derive today. Okay, my dear students, you know, in a horizontal projectile motion, the speed of projection is u, and the horizontal component of speed is u cos theta, and vertical component is u sin theta. I had already discussed horizontal component of velocity in a projectile motion remains constant, which I discussed in my first class. If you do not know why horizontal velocity is constant, you just go through my first video on projectile motion. By going through that video, you can understand why horizontal velocity in projectile motion remains constant. So, the horizontal speed is u cos theta and vertical speed is u sin theta. This is initial horizontal velocity and initial vertical velocity. But horizontal velocity or horizontal speed remains constant throughout the flight in a projectile motion. And what vertical velocity does? Vertical velocity takes the body in the vertical direction, and horizontal velocity moves the body in horizontal direction. Therefore, in a equation motion, it is a two-dimensional motion or equation in a plane. So, therefore, we will have two variables y and x, and we have to derive the equation of projectile motion, which will contain the variables y and x. Okay, my dear students, you see, the horizontal distance covered is equal to x is equal to OB. We know the horizontal speed remains constant. Where the speed remains constant, distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, my dear students, as horizontal speed remains constant, so horizontal distance covered is equal to horizontal speed into time. What is time t? Time t is the time in which projectile moves from O to A. During this time, horizontal displacement covered is x. So therefore, horizontal distance is equal to horizontal speed into time, because here where the speed is constant, distance is equal to speed into time. So therefore, here time is equal to x by u cos theta. This is equation 1. Okay, my dear students. Okay, the vertical velocity is under the control of gravity. So in a gravity controlled motion, what is the formula for height? H is equal to ut minus half gt square. But here, what is initial vertical velocity? Because vertical velocity is taking the body in the vertical direction. Therefore, here instead of using u, we will use initial vertical velocity. What is initial vertical velocity, my dear students? U sin theta into t minus half gt square. This is equation 2. H is equal to y. Here height covered in time t is equal to y. Okay, my dear students. So this is equation 2. What we will do right now, we will take the value of time t from equation 1 and we'll put this value of time t in equation 2. What we will get, my dear students? Y is equal to u sin theta into time. What is time? Time is equal to x by u cos theta minus half g into t square. What is t square? T is equal to x by u cos theta. What is t square? T square is equal to a square by u square cos square theta. Okay, my dear students, here u and u is cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So y is equal to x tan theta minus gx square by 2u square cos square theta. Okay, my dear students, this is the equation of projectile motion. Here you see, this is the equation of projectile motion which contains variable y and x. This is the equation of projectile motion. Now we derive equation of projectile motion in terms of range, my dear students. We derive equation of projectile motion in terms of range. How we derive, you see. How we derive equation of projectile motion in terms of range. Now we are going to derive equation of projectile motion in terms of range. We have already found expression for range in projectile motion in our second class. Okay, what is the equation for range? What is the expression for range? U square sine 2 theta by g, which I had already explained in my class 2 on projectile motion. Please go through that video. Okay, what is the equation of projectile motion as we have derived right now? Y is equal to x tan theta minus gx square by 2u square cos square theta. From this equation, we will take x tan theta common. X tan theta common. If we take x tan theta common, this will become 1 minus g square by 2u square cos square theta. As we have taken x tan theta common, here we will multiply 1 by x tan theta in our second term. Okay, x tan theta, this become 1 minus gx square by 2u square cos theta, 2u square cos square theta into x tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. 1x gets cancelled. 1 cos theta gets cancelled. Then what this equation becomes? This equation becomes 1 minus gx, you see, gx by u square. This becomes 2 sine theta into cos theta, that is sine 2 theta. That is sine 2 theta. Next, what we will do? X tan theta minus 1 minus x by this g will bring down. So u square sine 2 theta by g. U square sine 2 theta by g. What is u square sine 2 theta by g? This is range in projectile motion. So this equation becomes x tan theta into 1 minus x by u square sine 2 theta by g is equal to range in projectile motion. So in this equation, we have derived equation of projectile motion in terms of range. What are the two equations of projectile motion we have derived? First equation of projectile motion we have derived, y is equal to x tan theta minus gx square by 2u square cos square theta. This is one equation we have derived. Next equation we have derived, y is equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. Here the equation is in terms of range of projectile motion. Here the equation is in terms of range of projectile motion. Okay, my dear students, let us solve some of the questions from various competitive examinations to improve our knowledge in problem solving. To improve our knowledge in problem solving. You see the first question here. You see, equation of projectile motion is given as y is equal to x minus x square by 20. What is the equation of projectile motion we have derived? Y is equal to x tan theta minus gx square by 2u square cos square theta. This is the equation that you have derived. Okay, comparing these two equations, what is tan theta? What is tan theta? Here x into 1 means tan theta is equal to 1. If you compare these two equations, what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to 1. So theta is equal to 45 degree. You know tan theta is equal to 1 means tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. You see here, this is the projectile motion and we have to find the expression for height. We have to find the height attained by projectile motion if its equation is given by y is equal to x minus x square by 20. What is the expression of height? This is expression for height we have derived in our first class. What is the expression for height? Expression for height is u square sine square theta by 2g. U square sine square theta by 2g. You see, tan theta is equal to 1. What is sine theta? If tan theta is equal to 1, what is sine theta? tan theta is equal to 1. It is 45 degree. Or else you can do right up. Angle is already found out. What is sine 45 degree? Sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. What is cos 45 degree? Cos 45 degree is also equal to 1 by root 2. Next, if you compare these two, tan theta is equal to 1 and what this second terms, if now you compare the second term, x square by 20 is equal to gx square by 2u square cos square theta. X square cancel, my dear students, and g is given as, g is already given, g is equal to 10 meter per second square, acceleration due to gravity. So this is equal to 10, this is equal to 2, then u square. What is cos square theta? Cos square theta is equal to cos square 45 degree. Cos square 45 degree is equal to 1 by 2 because cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. So cos square 45 degree is equal to 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. So 1 by 20 is equal to 10 by u square. What is u square, my dear students? U square is equal to 200. What is height? U square is already found out. What is height? Height is equal to u square sine square 45 degree because theta is equal to 45 degree by 2g. G means equal to 10. So u square is equal to 200. Sine square 45 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Then 2 into 10. 0 is cancel, 4. This is equal to 5 meter. So which is where the height is written is 5. This is the option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay, my dear students, you just compare the equations. You can find out u. You can find out you can find out what is the angle of projection. You can find out what is the speed. You can find out range. You can find out height. Everything. If equation is known to you, equation of projectile motion is known to you by comparing these two equations. Let us move to the next question. Here the equation of projectile motion is given as y is equal to 2x minus 9x square. What is the equation of projectile motion which we have derived? Y is equal to x tan theta minus gx square by 2u square cos square theta. This is the equation that we have derived. If you compare these two, what is tan theta? You just compare and tell me what is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 2. Next, 9x square is equal to gx square by 2u square cos square theta. Okay, can x square is cancelled. 9 is equal to g is equal to 10. 10 by 2u square cos square theta. This is 5. So 9 by, or we can write here u square cos square theta is equal to 5 by 9. Okay, by comparing this equation, these two equations, we have got this one. Okay, this is the projectile motion. What do we have to find out? We have to find the angle of projection. You see, we have to find the angle of projection theta. This is u, this is theta. We have to find two things here: the speed of projection. Okay, then you have to find angle of projection. We have already found tan theta is equal to 2. This you have already read in your trigonometry. This is theta. Tan theta is equal to 2 means this is 2 by 1. P by B. P is 2, B is equal to 1, and this becomes root 5. Now you tell me what is sine theta? Sine theta is equal to 2 by root 5. So theta becomes sine inverse 2 by root 5. In terms of cos theta, what is value of theta? You see here what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to 1 by root 5. What is theta? Theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by root 5. So in terms of sine theta, theta is equal to sine inverse 2 by root 5. In terms of cos theta, theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by root 5. Next you have to find the value of u. Now you see here u square. What is cos square theta? If cos theta is 1 by root 5, what is cos square theta? Cos square theta is equal to 1 by 5. So this becomes 5 by 9. So what is u square? U square is equal to 25 by 9. What is u, my dear students? 5 by 3 meter per second. Now you see here where u is equal to 5 by 3 meter per second. If in the first two choice u is equal to 5 by 3. Next, what is what should be the answer? Sine here theta is equal to sine inverse 1 by root 5. But we have got sine inverse 2 by root 5. Theta equal to u is equal to 5 by 3. Then what is theta in this expression? cos inverse 1 by root 5. So what is the right choice, my dear students? Right choice is the number 1. Number 1 is the right choice to this question. What I did, I just compared these two equations. I just compared the given equation with standard equation of projectile motion. Okay, my dear students, whatever question comes, you just compare, you'll be able to find everything. You can find u, you can find theta, you can find range, you can find height if the equation of projectile motion is given to you. Let us move to the next question. You see here, the initial velocity is given. You see, initial velocity is given as I cap plus 2j cap. What is the meaning of this? Can I write it 1 I cap plus 2j cap? Here you see the velocity is in two dimensions. Here the velocity is in 2 dimensions. One is x direction, another is the y direction. Can I write it, my dear students, ux I cap plus uy j cap? Yes, I can write it as ux I cap plus uy j cap. Let us make a vector triangle using this equation. Let us make a vector triangle. You see, I am making a vector triangle. You can understand. This is the u vector. 1 I cap. This is 1 I cap. This is 2 j cap. What do you understand by this? Ux. What is initial horizontal velocity? Initial horizontal velocity is equal to 1. Because it is ux I cap plus uy j cap. What is ux? Ux is equal to 1. Ux is equal to 1 means it is u cos theta. What is uy? U sin theta. You see, this is u and this is theta. What is u sin theta? What is the magnitude? This is equal to 2. So we could find out what is initial horizontal velocity. What is initial vertical velocity. What is theta? Tan theta is equal to 2 by 1. Tan theta is equal to 2 by 1. What we have to find out? We have to find the expression for, we have to find equation of projectile motion from the given data. Okay, tan theta is equal to 2 by 1. Okay, what is sin theta? To cos theta. If tan theta is equal to 2 by 1, what is cos theta, my dear students? What is cos theta? We can find everything. This is theta. Tan theta is equal to 2 by 1. This becomes root 5. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to 1 by root 5. What is sin theta, my dear students? Sin theta becomes 2 by root 5. But here we have to find the equation of projectile motion. What is the equation of projectile motion as you have derived? Y is equal to x tan theta minus gx square by 2u square cos square theta. You see, x, what is tan theta, my dear students? Tan theta is equal to 2. Minus g is 10. This is x square by 2u square cos square theta. You see, u cos theta is equal to 1. What is u square cos square theta? Again 1. You see here, u cos theta is equal to 1. Squaring both sides, u square cos square theta is also equal to 1. U square cos square theta is also equal to 1. So this is 2x, 5 minus 5x square. What is the equation of projectile motion here, my dear students? Y is equal to 2x minus 5x square. So what is the right choice in this question? What is the right choice in question? Y is equal to 2x minus 5x square. So C, option C is correct. In this question also, you can find everything, my dear student. In this question, you can find height also. What is the expression for height? U square sin square theta by 2g. Had you been asked what is the height, you could have very well find the answer. U square sin square theta. What is u sin theta? U sin theta is 2. What is u square sin square theta? 4. 4 by 2g. 2 into 10. You could have very well, you could have found out 1 by 5 meter. Everything you can find out. How you will solve problem based on equation of projectile motion, I have already taught you. In my next class, I will come up with more interesting facts about projectile motion. Till then, bye bye from Pina. Wait till my next class.